Welcome back, loyal viewers. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of new inventions, exploring the latest mind-blowing creations from the innovative designers at Lazzarini. Now, picture this, the Italians have kicked off 2023 with a bang. Imagine a hydrogen-powered super yacht concept, boasting a staggering 15,000 horsepower. This beauty comes equipped with 4 decks, 7 lavish cabins, a chic small boat, an innovative helipad with ample space, a freshwater swimming pool, a designated car parking spot, and a range of other amenities that'll leave you in awe. These luxuries are at your beck and call when you're not out conquering the vast oceans and seas. But here's the kicker, folks, if anyone wants to turn this remarkable concept into a reality, they'll need to dig deep into their pockets, as it comes with a price tag of about $85 million. So, get ready to be wowed by Lazzarini's exceptional creation, and let's dive right in. Let's take it up a notch and extend a warm welcome to the BioPod, an extraordinary autonomous plant cultivation module capsule, meticulously crafted for nurturing hydroponic plants. This sealed and deployable structure is the epitome of ideal environmental conditions, ensuring the optimal growth of your botanical companions. With its advanced artificial intelligence-driven atmospheric and lighting systems, coupled with an ingenious AI nutrient dosing system, the BioPod redefines precision and efficiency. Imagine a greenhouse spanning 11 by 6 by 5 meters, and the best part? It doesn't rely on soil, thanks to its state-of-the-art advanced hydroponics control system. It has the power to nurture a diverse range of plants, from alpine wonders to exotic subtropical species, while maintaining precise humidity, temperature, and other crucial parameters. What's truly fascinating, these pods have already piqued the interest of none other than NASA, offering an innovative solution for sustainable agriculture and a promising future. Introducing the new horizon of Riyadh's future, an icon that transcends the ordinary, the Mukaab. It's more than just a building, it's an entire world within itself, a gateway to another realm. Imagine a city within a city, a place where you'll find everything you desire. From luxurious malls and world-class hotels to captivating theaters, modern offices, enlightening museums, cutting-edge gyms, inspiring galleries, and even an opulent opera house. Here, visitors and residents alike will never know a dull moment. The introduction to the Mukaab cubic skyscraper is nothing short of extraordinary. If all goes according to plan, it will emerge as the shining new face of Riyadh, the capital city of Saudi Arabia, by 2030. This project is not just ambitious, it's groundbreaking. The skyscraper itself will occupy an area exceeding 2 million square meters, with each side stretching an impressive 400 meters. To put it in perspective, you could fit 20 Empire State Buildings within its colossal confines. By even the most conservative estimates, the cost of the cube skyscraper and its surrounding domain will soar to a staggering $48 billion. Get ready to be awestruck by the grandeur and innovation that is the Mukaab. If the desert isn't your ideal habitat, welcome to the serene oasis of the ocean. These amazing pods have already entered production, with around 100 units set to be completed by year's end. Prices vary, ranging from $295,000 to $1.5 million, depending on the pod size and its contents. For instance, the 73 square meter version is like a 3-tiered haven, featuring a cozy bedroom, a relaxing living room, a functional kitchen, a convenient bathroom, and a handy storage room. And if that's not enough space for your needs, there's even a special barbecue party module that can expand your area by approximately 20%. What's truly remarkable is that pod owners can effortlessly control various aspects of their living space with just a wave of a hand, thanks to a special smart ring. These pods are elevated 2.2 meters above the water, making use of drones for small deliveries and autonomous vessels for larger cargo. It's a place where you can truly connect with yourself and find that inner peace you've been longing for. Introducing a groundbreaking marvel in technology, the SKAI. A revolutionary leap in everyday air mobility aimed at transforming lives on a global scale. It's not just unique, it's a remarkably straightforward solution designed to bring unparalleled reliability and safety to the masses. What makes SKAI truly exceptional is that it's the first air mobility vehicle powered by hydrogen fuel cells, offering a clean energy solution that leaves behind nothing but pure water. This green energy source provides more than 10 times the power of current technologies. It's a solution for the future, one that's been crafted by a team of top-notch aerospace experts, engineers, and experienced pilots from prestigious institutions like NASA, Airbus, and the Department of. It's a technological marvel that's redefining urban mobility, prioritizing safety, and enhancing the human experience. SKAI is not just a mode of transport, it's a testament to a brighter, more sustainable future.